Hi guys, I'm Tripura and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create this eye look. I just used a lipstick to get this look. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I have already prepped my skin and done my brows. So I am starting off with concealer to conceal my eyelids. Here I am using the lagirl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. After concealing my eyelids, I am taking the NYX liquid lipstick. You can take any liquid lipstick that you have in any shade that you wish. Now using the applicator, I am applying the product on my eyelids and blending it using my fingers. It's so easy that you can blend it with your fingers. Apply the lipstick and blend until you are satisfied with the final output. Once I am done blending my eyeshadow, I am taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. I am taking a flat eyeshadow brush and using this highlighter as a shimmery eyeshadow. To conceal my under eyes, I am taking the same concealer and concealing them. For my foundation today, I am using the L'Oreal foundation. I am applying the foundation all over my face and blending it using a beauty blender. After I am done with the foundation, to set my base, I am using the K-Beauty setting powder in the shade Olive. And using a powder brush, I am applying the products on the areas where I have used the concealer. For my bronzer today, I am using the Sugar Cosmetic bronzer. And for my blush today, I am using the Sugar Cosmetics blush. And on my lips today, I am using the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is such a beautiful nude brown lipstick if you have medium skin tone. And to give my eyes more dimension, I am using a eyeliner. Here I am using the NYX eyeliner. And finally, to complete my eye look, I am using the mascara. I am using the Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara. Finally, I am applying the Maybelline highlighter on my high points to get that glow on my face.